Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi.
Friends, in this video I am going to explain the Green's theorem. Only the statement, proof is omitted here, and example on this I am going to do. Let mxy and nxy, m and n be the two functions with the variables x and y, be two functions defined in the region A in xy plane with a simple closed curve C. That region A is bounded by this simple closed curve C. Then integration, line integration over a curve C, m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration over the region A, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy I can prove. Okay, this is using this statement. Let me give you a clear idea. That is, if this is the closed curve C and this is the area bounded by, okay, this is a closed curve C, this is area bounded by the V in xy plane. If we are integrating line integration through this closed curve and then m dx plus n dy, that integration is equivalent to double integration over this region A in dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Using this example I am going to solve here. First example I will consider here. If C is a simple closed curve in xy plane, then prove that by using Green's theorem that the integration over a closed curve C 1 by 2 x dy minus y dx represents the area A enclosed by C. First part I will prove first, then I will go for the second part. First part is here. To prove that first part, according to Green's theorem, I know that integration over a closed curve C, m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration over the region A into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy I know using Green's theorem. Therefore, let me consider first one. Okay, while comparing this one, m dx, m is nothing but here minus y. Okay, let m is equal to minus y and n is equal to x. In the above result, if I am taking this, then what I am going to get here, integration over C, m is nothing but minus y dx plus n is nothing but x dy is equivalent to double integration over the region A, dou n by dou x, n is here x, therefore dou x by dou x here n is equal to x, therefore dou n by dou x, that is dou x by dou x minus dou m by dou y, m is equal to minus y, therefore dou by dou y of minus y into dx dy. If I am integrating this right hand side, double integration and partial differential is 1, here also already minus is there, one more minus 1 into dx dy I will get. This is minus of minus plus 1, that is 2 times double integration over the region A dx dy. Therefore, a double integration over the region A into 1 dx dy will represent the area bounded by this region A. Therefore, this 2 if I am shifting to the other side, 1 by 2 times this 2 I am shifting it to the other side, then I am going to get 1 by 2 integration over a closed curve C minus y dx plus x dy must be equal to this double integration is nothing but area enclosed by capital A. This I have proved here. Using this result, second part of the problem I will do. Hence find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 and the asteroid x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. This areas I have to calculate now here. Here second part, ellipse is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Parametric equation for this ellipse is given by parametric equation of ellipse is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta, where theta varies as theta equal to 0 to theta equal to 2 pi. Then this will give you, because solving the line integration is simple whenever the equation is in the parametric form. That's why I am selected. Therefore, area of ellipse is equal to 1 by 2 times integration over a closed curve C x dy minus y dx. This closed curve C is the what? Area bounded by this. Therefore, this line integration I will solve one by one. 1 by 2 into integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi, because C I am converting in terms of parametric equation. X dy, x is nothing but a cos theta and dy is nothing but differential of b sin theta is nothing but b into cos theta d theta minus y is b sin theta into dx, differentiation of x is minus a into sin theta d theta. From this I will take d theta common. 1 by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi a into b, ab cos square theta minus of minus plus ab into sin square theta into bracket d theta, and ab again I can take common, that is ab divided by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi cos square theta plus sin square theta into d theta, but cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, which is ab divided by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi into d theta. Therefore, ab divided by 2 into integration of 1 theta is theta between the limits 2 pi, which is equal to ab divided by 2 upper limit minus lower limit, that is 2 pi minus 0. This 2 cancels. Therefore, area of ellipse equal to 2 pi into AB. Area of ellipse is equal to this one. Like that. Asteroid equation is nothing but x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. The parametric equation I am converting into parametric equation because line integration is simply solved using the parametric equation. That's why it is x equal to a into cos cube theta and y is equal to a into sin cube theta, and theta is lying between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, I will keep ready dx equal to 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta d theta. Like that, dy will be 3a into sin square theta into cos theta d theta. This one I will substitute in the area of asteroid. Area is equal to 1 by 2 times integration over c x dy minus y dx. 1 by 2 times integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi x equal to a cos cube theta into dy is 3a sin square theta into cos theta, okay, into d theta. This is y dy minus y x dy just minus y is a into sin cube theta into dx is minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta d theta. From these two terms I will take a square common, 3a square, here also 3a square common, 3a square divided by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi, 3a square is taken common, then you will remain with sin square theta into cos raised to 4 theta, d theta also I am taking common, minus of minus plus, here again cos square theta into sin raised to 4 theta into bracket d theta. This one I have to evaluate now, okay. Therefore area of asteroid is equal to 3a square divided by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi, and to evaluate this I will take common sin square theta into cos square theta I will take common. If sin square theta cos square theta is taken common, here will remain cos square theta plus, and here I will remain with sin square theta into d theta, but sin square theta d theta equal to 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore 3a square divided by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi into sin theta cos theta the whole square I can write into d theta. To evaluate this, 3a square divided by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi sin theta into cos theta equal to, I will replace it by sin 2 theta by 2 the whole square into d theta. Am I right here? Sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta formula we are having, that's why sin 2 theta divided by 2. Then to integrate this again, 3a square divided by 2 integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi, it is not integrable directly, therefore 1 by 4 into sin square 2 theta can be replaced by 1 minus cos 2 into 2 theta divided by 2 into d theta, because sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 I am having formula using this one. Therefore it is 4 into 4, 3a square divided by 16, 2 4 into 2, 16 I am taking common, integration from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi, and this is 1 minus cos of 4 theta I have to integrate, which is 3a square divided by 16 into integration of 1 is theta, integration of cos theta is sin 4 theta divided by 4 between the limits 0 to 2 pi. Now 3a square divided by 16 into upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit 2 pi minus sin of 8 pi divided by 4, upper limit minus lower limit 0 minus sin 0 divided by 4. Here sin 8 pi, sin n pi, sin n pi value is equal to 0, therefore this is 0, then this is also 0, this is also 0, only 2 pi will remain, therefore 3a square divided by 8 is the required answer. 2 ones are 2, 8s are, therefore 3a square divided by 8 is the area of the asteroid what we required. 8 into pi, correct? 3 square pi divided by 8. Okay, next problems I am solving the next.